Hi good people, welcome to this video. In this video we're going to talk about byte and its relationship to the character or the char data type that we've already studied about. So I mentioned to you that characters are actually Unicode code points that are assigned to the characters we see on our keyboards and on our mobile phones and stuff like that. And each one of them takes 4 bytes of memory. So basically every character on your keyboard has some unique integer assigned to it, and that is how it is represented internally. Now, because of their internal representation being integers, there is a close relationship between the char data type and the U8 data type. And remember that the U8 stores 8-bit unsigned numbers, so from 0 to 255. So if there is any Unicode character whose code point falls within 0 to 255, then there is a way you can store that as a U8. Let me give you an example to make it more concrete. So I'm going to say let ch and see what I'm doing here. I'm saying is a U8, then I will say equal to B and A. Now, the B that precedes, so this is a character A because it's in single quotes, but the B that precedes it is what converts this to its Unicode code point for us. So the byte form of it. Okay, so it should be, the code point should be a number between 0 to 255 so that it can fit into the U8. Otherwise, it's not going to work. So we come here and let's call on our good old friend print, and I'm going to print character once more, and I do ch, and you can see that this code is going to compile successfully. So that is it. We have the character 65, which means in Unicode, capital A is represented as 65. And so even though here it was a character, we use the B and we get the byte form of it, which fit into the U8, and so we see 65. Let's change it to, let's say, small letter A, which is I think 95, 96, or 97. I don't remember correctly, but it is 97. So there's a special relationship between the character data type and a byte, and it's also knowing about byte is important because it's a very fundamental unit of measurement within a computer. If I change this to, let's say, U16, is not going to work. Look at it. The error is mismatched type is expecting U16, but it found a U8. And the reason is that CH has been annotated as a U16, but this construct here produces a U8, and so it cannot work like that. So Rust doesn't do type conversion for you. We have to be explicit about that, and type conversion is the subject for another video. So thank you very much for watching this, and I'll see you in the next video.